This day in law, September 30th, 1953, Earl Warren was appointed as the 14th Chief of Justice of the United States Supreme Court. His tenure lasted from 1953 to 1969. He began his litigation career as a jurist and the 30th governor of California from 1943 to 1953, where he was a strong proponent of removing the Japanese-American internment camps during World War II. He was appointed as Chief of Justice by President Eisenhower. His major successes in writing the majority opinions include Brown versus Board of Education of Topeka in 1954, which ruled that the U.S. state laws establishing racial segregation in public schools are not constitutional. Reynolds versus Sims in 1964, which the court ruled that the electoral districts of state legislative chambers be equal in population. Miranda versus Arizona in 1966, which the court ruled that the Fifth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution prevents prosecutors from using a person's statements in response to police custody interrogation as evidence, unless the defendant was understanding of these rights and renounced them. And Loving versus Virginia in 1967, in which the court ruled laws banning interracial marriage violate the due process clauses and equal protection of the 14th U.S. Constitutional Amendment. The Warren Court was arguably one of the most influential liberal shifts in Supreme Court history. So today we're celebrating Earl Warren, who redefined criminal procedures, redistricting, and other areas of law, and embodied a deep belief of equality in justice and humanity.